You have mastered the fundamentals. Now it is time to move beyond them, to investigate deeper, to think differently, to pursue discoveries that create real-world impact. At Nitte University Centre for Science Education and Research, postgraduate education is driven by research and scientific excellence. From biotechnology, cancer biology and microbiology to marine biotechnology, biomedical science, bioinformatics and food science and technology, our programs prepare graduates for a rapidly evolving scientific world. Students learn in advanced laboratories, including NABL-accredited facilities, work with experienced faculty, and gain hands-on research experience. As an FAO Reference Centre for Antimicrobial Resistance in Aquaculture Biosecurity, NUCSER offers opportunities to contribute to research with global relevance. Whether your future lies in research, industry, healthcare, biotechnology, or higher studies, NUCSER provides the foundation to take you further. Your next qualification can be another degree, or the beginning of something far greater. NUCSER, for those ready to advance science.